Welcome back to Happy Bake Day. My name is Amanda and today we are continuing our easy one-pot recipes. Again, healthy kick to start this new year off right. Today we're going to be making a coconut curry tilapia dish. For this dish, I am joined by my friends over at Marine Harvest by Mowi, and we are going to be using their amazing tilapia fillets. Now these tilapia fillets are absolutely delicious. They are so light and so flaky, and they really bake well with this dish because they'll soak up a little bit of that coconut curry. They'll take on a little bit of that flavor without being fishy or too overpowering, and they just get so tender in the oven, and it's gonna be a really nice addition to our recipe today. You'll add 4 minced garlic cloves, 1 tablespoon of freshly grated ginger, 1 can of full-fat coconut milk, 1 can of diced tomatoes, 2 tablespoons of olive oil, 2 tablespoons of red curry paste. You'll squeeze the juice from half a lime into a 13x9 glass baking dish and season with salt and pepper. Whisk everything together really well, taste, and add any additional curry paste or seasoning as needed. Next, you'll add 1 can of chickpeas, 1 sliced medium yellow onion, 1 sliced green bell pepper. Use a spatula or a wooden spoon to mix all of your ingredients together. You're going to bake your curry in an oven that's been preheated to 400 degrees for 20 to 22 minutes or until the vegetables, especially your peppers, have become nice and soft. Meanwhile, while your curry is baking, you're going to remove your tilapia fillets from their packaging. Place your tilapia onto a cutting board and you're going to cut these in half. Season each side of the fillets with some salt and pepper. Once the curry has finished baking, you'll gently nestle your tilapia fillets on top of the curry and use a spoon to gently spoon some of the curry sauce over the top of each piece of your fish. Then you're going to bake this for an additional 10 to 15 minutes or until the fish is opaque and beautifully flaky. When it's done, remove your baking dish from the oven. I really enjoy serving this dish over a beautiful bed of rice or with some naan, a little bit of my vegetables, of course, a beautiful piece of my tilapia covered with the red curry, and topping this with fresh cilantro or fresh basil really adds a beautiful finish. And with that, our coconut curry tilapia is done, and wow, did it come out delicious. I really love how these Marine Harvest tilapia fillets just bake so beautifully, and they add such awesome protein to this meal. These fillets are also really good for other meals as well. I like to bake mine in the oven or even pan sear them and put it in a delicious wrap, a little bit of cucumber, a little bit of lettuce. It's a great, easy meal, easy lunch, or you can even cook them up and put them over a pasta for, again, some nice, light, easy protein. And they're just so delicious, and they'll take on really whatever seasoning sauce that you'll use, so that way they just enhance your dish versus taking away from it. Thanks again for joining me today while we made our delicious coconut curry tilapia, and thanks also to my friends over at Marine Harvest by Mowi for this incredible tilapia. You have to try it. Check out their website to see where you can get it for yourself and give this recipe a try. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and join me again next week.